How to change profile in Janitor AI. Here's how to do it in just a few taps. First, open the Janitor AI website or app and make sure you're logged in. You'll land on your dashboard where your current AI character is active. Now look at the top or side menu and tap on the profile or character icon. This opens your saved personas and public AI characters list. You'll see names, images, and a short description for each one. Browse or search for a new AI character you want to talk to. There's everything from anime personalities to helpful office bots. Click the one you want and hit select or start chat. Instantly, your session updates with the new profile. You don't need to reload or reset anything. Each AI remembers its own personality tone and even its conversation style. If you want to switch again, just repeat the same steps. You can save favorites or even build your own custom bot for quick access. Thanks for watching.